Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna jump right into the video. Start off by spraying some water because my hair was kind of dry. Just rub that in to make sure all of my strands get that moisture that I need. And then afterwards, I'm gonna go in with my oil. You already know is back, Africa's best, all day, every day. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my African Pride leave-in conditioner. I used to use this when I had longer hair and I loved it. So I'm gonna try to use that more now that I'm growing my hair out again and see how it does. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with my twist and lock gel from Cantu, another staple, you already know. So once you have your hair sectioned, make sure you detangle it, please. Has to be very detangled for this style. Once you detangle it, go ahead and add your twist and lock gel, and then you can start to flat twist. Now, you guys already know from our previous flat twist video, for you to do a flat twist, you cannot borrow strands. Do not, please don't borrow any strand. Just keep going, and then when you get to the tips, you coil. So if you don't know what a flat twist is basically just a cornrow, but with 2 strands instead of 3. That's all it is, just 2 strands instead of 3. And then, like I said before, when you get to the end, because our hair is not that long, you just do a little finger coil so that the ends don't just stay like that by themselves. And that's all you have to do. Also, to make it easier for you, it would be best to do it in smaller sections because then the hair could be more defined and you're going to have like an easier chance of doing the flat twist. So this took me a hot minute. Like, I'm not even going to lie to y'all. Like, it took a whole day to dry. So to take it down, I'm going to use my oil. You already know. Rub that in to, minimize frizz. So like I was telling you guys earlier, you see, don't borrow strands because you're just going to unravel it literally strand by strand. So if you had borrowed strands, it just would not have been nice, like, at all. So do not borrow strands, please. When you're untwisting, just pull the hair apart from itself because it's strand by strand, so the strand is just going to be by itself. So you just pull it apart from the flat twist and that's it. It's already defined. You don't have to do anything else. And once you finish doing that, really, you're just going to go in with your pick and just hide the parts. But for the takedown, it's just literally just untwisting the hair and just pulling it apart. That's all you have to do. So for the length that my hair is at, I honestly did not think that it would be as defined as it came out because my hair isn't that long. But y'all, listen, it's not about the length, okay? It is not about the length of your hair because my little TWA was hella defined. And I was thoroughly shocked and pleased, but mostly shocked because I really didn't think it would come out as it did because you can clearly see, all the curls and everything. Once you finish unraveling, take out the pick and just literally just pick your hair out. When you're picking your hair out, you lift from the roots up because you don't want to mess up the curls. You only want to hide the parts. So you go from the roots and you just lift it up to make sure you don't disturb the curls. You just hide the parts that you used to get the curls. And that's it, y'all. That's it. Just hide the parts, pull it up from the roots. Woo! Look at that definition. Okay. So once you finish picking out your hair, add some baby hairs if you want to, slick it down, whatever you want. And that is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.